Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this delicious fish curry. In Sri Lanka we call it fish ambultiyal. This is a dry dish and it can be eaten with rice, bread, naan, paratha or anything like that. Okay, let's do it. These are the ingredients we need. We need 1 kilogram of tuna fish and ground black pepper 2 tablespoons, garcinia paste 2 tablespoons, 2 or 3 green chilies, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt 2.5 teaspoons. This size of cinnamon stick is like 4 inches. And 2 tablespoons of curry leaves. Cup of water. We have to cut the fish into very small pieces like 1 inch size. Then all the spices will go into the fish nicely. Let's cut the chili into small pieces as well. We need the medium size pan. This is 20 centimeter size pan. And if you have banana leaf, that's good. But if you don't have, don't worry. You can buy banana leaves from Indian supermarkets. They are in the frozen section. We put our curry leaves. And we break the cinnamon stick into small pieces and evenly put here. And we put it aside. Take a bowl and put the garcinia paste in there. And put half cup of water and mix it very well. And put the rest of the water. And put ginger garlic paste. Put chili. If you don't like it too spicy, you don't need to put chili. That's an addition. And put the ground pepper and put salt and mix it very well. Take the nicely cut fish and put our spice mixture into the fish and mix it very well. If you have time, it's good to marinate it for 30 minutes. But if you don't have time, that's okay. I would marinate this for 30 minutes. So then all the spices will go into the fish nicely and the flavor would be really good. After 30 minutes, take the prepared pan and put the marinated fish mixture into the pan and place the pieces nice and evenly. Okay, let's cook the prepared fish. Close the lid. Let's cook it for 30 minutes in the medium heat. Open the lid after 30 minutes. Check the salt and put little bit more if you like more salt. I am a person who like more salt, so I am going to put a little bit more. And mix the fish well. Close the lid and cook for another 20 minutes. Open the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. The fish is nicely cooked. This dish is a dry dish, that's why I am allowing it to become dry for another 10 minutes. But if you like the curry and gravy, you can take it out of the cooker now. Okay, our dish is ready. This is the time to serve.